Hello, it's Monday the 18th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So the Bank of England left rates on hold. Andrew Bailey reaffirmed the MPC's commitment to bringing inflation back to their 2% target. But inflation is still close to 5%. The economy barely registered any growth over the past 2 quarters, and employment data confirm that wages are still rising faster than inflation. So we should expect the next few MPC meetings to be on a bit of a knife edge. A recession has never been far away throughout the rate tightening cycle so far, and the recent data shows no change to that scenario. Q4 kicked off with 0.3% negative growth in October, and all the PMIs are contracting. But inflation should continue to fall, helped lower by lower energy costs, and the bank's commitment to keeping rates higher for longer may be tested in the new year. Market expectation is for the first rate cut to be around June, and it will now be tough for Bailey to justify waiting until we're in a technical recession before cutting rates. Over in the US, Powell has finally accepted that rates have peaked and rate cuts were discussed at the Fed meeting. And quite right too, because moderate job creation and falling inflation is fast becoming the reality for the US economy. Where employment has remained buoyant, many believed that rates may still have been neutral and inflation has not yet been defeated, and that's probably why Powell took so long to call the top of the rate tightening cycle, just to leave the door ajar in case another rate hike was necessary. But in the market, the dollar reacted to the end of the rate hikes. Sterling peaked around 128 against the dollar as a bunch of stop losses were triggered on short positions, helping the rates even higher. But that all balanced out to close around 126.75. The dollar index dropped to 101.75 but managed to close out the week around 102.60. The next couple of weeks should be fairly quiet as we all knock off for Christmas and then see in the new year. But we kick off this morning from around 127 against the dollar, 116.25 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 109.25 on the open. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.